Hey Betty, I want to learn the alphabet in a super fun way.
Great idea, Alex. Let's go on an ABC adventure where letters come to life.
A is for apple, juicy and red.
B is for bowl, bounce it ahead.
C is for cat, purring so sweet.
D is for dog with paws and feet.
E is for elephant, big and strong.
Come on, friends, let's sing along. F is for fish, swimming so free. G is for giraffe, tall as can be.
H is for hat,
Put it on tight. I is for ice cream, cold and bright. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet. Learning letters is such a treat. K is for kite, flying so high.
L is for lion,
Roaring nearby. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, birds in flight.
O is for octopus, waving hello.
We're learning fast, let's go, go, go. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Q is for queen, regal and nice. R is for rainbow, color so bright.
S is for sun,
Shining with light. T is for tiger, strong and fast. This ABC trip is a blast. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W is for whale, splashing around.
X is for xylophone, making a sound.
Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, striped for all.
Bye-bye, friends. See you again. That was so much fun, Betty. Now I know my ABC.
And remember, learning is fun when we sing and play.